Welcome to our reflection video on the importance of risk management and insurance. Let's dive in. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and prioritizing potential losses faced by individuals. It also includes determining the most suitable methods in dealing with the loss exposures. A suitable risk management technique includes risk control, risk financing, and internal risk reductions. We'll focus on insurance as a risk management method. Insurance is an integral part of risk management. It provides a method for transferring the financial burden of prospective risk to an insurer. Insurance will work when the insured pays premium to an insurance company, and the insurance company assumes the risk of a loss and agree to compensate the insured for the loss. However, not all risks can be insured. Insurance companies focus on insurable risks that meet certain criteria. Insurable risks typically have the characteristic of being pure risk, having a large number of exposures, fortuitous loss, measurability, calculable probability of loss, an appropriate level of premium, legal subject matter, and lack of catastrophic exposure. For example, insurable risks covered by insurance company included health risks where medical expenses, hospitalizations, and treatments for illness or injuries is covered. Liability risks involve potential legal obligations and costs arising from accidents, injuries, or damage caused to others. Property risks that cover risks such as fire, theft, and natural disaster that can cause damage or destruction to the properties. By understanding risk management principles and choosing appropriate insurance coverage, individuals can effectively protect themselves against unforeseen events.
The insurance and takaful industry in Malaysia has witnessed significant growth and transformation in recent years. As a dynamic and rapidly developing country, Malaysia has taken several strategic initiatives to foster the expansion and modernization of the insurance sector. We will explore the key developments in the Malaysian insurance and takaful industry and highlight the factors contributing to its success. The Malaysian government has played a pivotal role in creating a conducive regulatory environment for the insurance and takaful industry. The regulatory framework, overseen by the Bank Negara Malaysia, has implemented progressive policies that promote innovation, consumer protection, and market stability. The establishment of the Financial Services Act and Islamic Financial Services Act has strengthened the regulatory oversight and governance of the industry. Takaful, an Islamic insurance model based on the principles of mutuality and cooperation, has gained prominence in Malaysia. The government's efforts to promote Islamic finance have facilitated the growth of takaful insurance. The introduction of dedicated regulatory guidelines and the establishment of the Malaysian Takaful Association have created a robust framework for the takaful sector. The Malaysian insurance and takaful industry have embraced technological advancements to enhance operational efficiency and customer experience. Digital transformation initiatives have led to the introduction of online platforms, mobile applications, and digital wallets, enabling customers to access insurance products and services conveniently. Furthermore, insurers have implemented advanced analytics and artificial intelligence to access risk, automate processes, and personalize customer interaction. To cater to the evolving needs of customers, insurance companies have introduced innovative products and services. Health insurance, motor insurance, and protection plans have been diversified to address specific segments of the population. Furthermore, insurers have expanded their presence in rural areas, providing insurance coverage to previously underserved communities. Microinsurance products have also gained traction, offering affordable coverage to low-income individuals and micro-entrepreneurs. We will now explore the importance of insurance and takaful in risk management. First of all, they help people in managing expensive medical bills. Healthcare costs can be exorbitant, and insurance and takaful provide financial protection by covering medical expenses. Besides, they are striving to meet diverse customer needs. Insurance and takaful companies offer customizable coverage options where consumers can select policies that align with their specific requirements. In addition, they keep introducing new services in response to the emerging diseases. For example, the outbreak of COVID-19 has highlighted the need for specialized insurance products. Now let's see an example on how insurance can relate to real-life events.
Hi, babe. long time no see. How are you doing? You seem to be losing some weight.
Hi, Remy. It's been too long. Yeah, I'm busy with my study and there are so many things to do in a limited amount of time. I'm quite tired, so I lost my appetite to eat.
Hey, be careful with how you will get sick. I heard that my cousin was being diagnosed with gastric cancer because he did not have his meals regularly and he is just 25. And after being diagnosed, he and his family was not only facing the problems with the disease itself but also the high medical expenses. The huge amount of medical care they face makes their life miserable.
Yeah, I'm still young lah. This should not be a problem.
Even if it's not cancer, you should not continue because your body will definitely ring a red alarm. You have your family to take care of, right?
Hey, what is the point in cursing me?
No way.
Hey, you still remember Wei-Min, right?
Wei-Min? Yeah, what's about her?
That day she cursed me and my family. I'm so angry.
Wei-Min cursed you? She cursed you? Why is that so hard to believe? What did she say? I actually think she's right. So let's say if we are really unfortunate, which we don't hope to be, you get a very serious disease and you need a treatment. Who will be paying? Your family? No one is working in your family except you, and your children are so small, your parents are not working. So how? And in addition to that, do you know how expensive the medical bills are nowadays? Many treatments are not just one or two, they are actually long term. So you have to pay for it, and at the same time you can't work. So thinking about this, right, it actually makes me very panic. I think it's better for us to have insurance to cover from the unexpected events, and that's why I think she's true and she's being good to you.
Oh, I can understand her point now. So thanks, bye-bye. Wow, there are so many insurance policies in Malaysia, even conventional and takaful.
They have developed to meet different customer needs and can even buy online, which is convenient. The first conventional insurance policy that covers the medical health is Pru My Medical Plus. It is issued by the Prudential Assurance Malaysia Berhad and it falls under the comprehensive section, which covers the life insurance, medical, critical illness, accident, and payer benefits. Not only that, but there are also another two plans offered by the insurance company to meet the unique medical protection needs. In general, all three plans can be combined with the Pru Value Med Booster or Pru Million Med Booster to obtain the higher medical coverage. Another example is e-Cancer Care Takaful, which is a Takaful protection plan issued by the Ethical Insurance and Takaful Company with cash payout to combat cancer. There are three different cash payout methods in the early, major, and advanced stage. In short, since there are various of the conventional insurance policies or Takaful offer, we should review each of them carefully before making decisions.
At home, Ping is struggling with her research again, and suddenly, her stomach hurts so much that she calls for her family and then becomes lost conscious. She was found to have colorectal cancer. She was hospitalized for many days for the checkup and treatment. The treatment for the cancer is also complicated and expensive. Thus, Ping faces huge medical bills for hospitalization and treatment. Ping, as the breadwinner, loses income due to poor health. She and her family faced financial uncertainty and stress due to the large cost and reduction in income.
Insurance plays a crucial role in safeguarding individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. Let's explore why it's so important. Imagine a situation where someone faces a critical illness requiring extensive hospitalization and treatment. This can result in significant medical expenses, creating a substantial financial burden for them and their family.